Cute naman.
Ay, sorry.
Ayun o, yung mga bag ng ano ba?
Plastic bag.
Amen, bigas naman. Maganda yan, maraming binibigay. Tapos makikita mo sa, parang sa TikTok, di ba? Mayroon parang how to make ganyan. How to make doy.
Tapos miswa ang ginagamit.
Tapos mismo lang pala yun.
Hi guys, so good chat. I am currently at Starbucks right now, like papuntang sa Magayo, and I'm with my super awesome sister, and my phone is tipping. And here's my good chat. So this is a top from Uniqlo. This is a skirt from I don't know where. This is a bag from my cousin, and the keychains are keychains and electronics from my friends and family, and this is from Eye to Eye, and the headband from TikTok Shop, and the earrings, just pure swag. So that's all. I love you.
Wala. Mismo. Okay, sorry. Volleyball,
Figure main.
Figure
skating, rollerblades. Baliw ka, mali.
Top.
Mali. Ano yun? Ang pangit mo. Ice. Ayun. Raw. Ago.
Yaw yaw.
Server. Yogurt.
Baby.
6-7.
Cheese dong.
Archery, figure skating, rollerblades, volleyball. Out to be my natural habitat.
Chocolate ice candy.
Tita Ana!
Ay, di ka pala pwede, no?
Hindi, tambay lang kami dito. Makawa. Bakit hindi ko lasing? Ha? Cheeseburger, shake barbecue fries, tsaka coke float.
Natulog lang si Nicholas, nagka-biceps na ako. Oh, feel it, feel it, feel it. Sakit. Ang over. Kaka-ML mo yan eh. Hindi may sinasabi si Zian. Sada kumupit na lang daw siya kanina siya. Soft drinks. Cute naman ang baby na yan. Pasapok. Babe, ang cellphone kasi ba't di mo i-check? Bakit?
Wait for it.
Pero pag nakauwi na sa bahay, signal na.
Muntik na yun ah. Hindi.
May one call away dyan. I don't know.
Paula. Paula. Paula.
Gasinis. I'll try mo one call away.
Baby doll.
Wait.
Baby doll.
Uh-oh.
I can't
No.
move on, baby.
Ano yung sinong Yung mic.
One child.
I used to do PF.
Dominic fight.
Diamond child.
Gay child.
Wow.
One call away.
There's no one call away.
Basa kasi.
Baka kasi nakalagay to...
Huwag ka na mag-joke.
Dance monkey. Eh wala. Dance, dance, dance.
Tuloy-tuloy talaga yung kanta.
Ano yung piano?
Ano yan?
Oo.
Compare nga natin. Zian to Kaboka. Zian IRL. Kasi balbas. Oh, eto. Kasi yung pink hair. Napunta sa damit. Si Nicholas. Ang ganyan. Ew. Ito si Nicholas sa Tokaboka. Let's compare it in real life.
So similar.
So sultry.